Carrick streets to Shannon shore, from Slievenaman to Ballinderry, from Longford Pass to Geltamore. And here I am alone, come hear the vow of Tipperary. Too long we fought for Britain's cause, and of our blood we're never chary. She paid us back with tyrant laws, and thinned the homes of Tipperary. Too long with rash and single arm, the peasant strove to guard his eyrie, till Irish blood bedewed each farm, and Ireland wept for Tipperary. But nevermore we'll lift a hand, we swear by God and Virgin Mary, accepting war for native land, and that's the vow of Tipperary. The peasant strove to guard his eyrie, till Irish blood bedewed each farm, and Ireland wept for Tipperary. But nevermore we'll lift a hand, we swear by God and Virgin Mary, accepting war for native land, and that's the vow of Tipperary.